Hey buddies, what's happening? And today we're gonna put a hydraulic e-brake into the TT. Alright, so what we got here is, this is basically the e-brake we're using. I cut it off right here because we're mounting it kind of in an angle, and so that lever was in there like this before, and now it's going in there like this. Alright, no, like this. Alright, well, we're gonna mount it when we have it in the car. Actually, I made already a bracket. Okay, so this is the bracket, pretty solid. It mounts on here on the transmission tunnel, and the e-brake mounts on here like this. Okay, still have to make another bracket because we're gonna put a line lock in there as well. So we're gonna shut off the rear brake system from the front brake system, so the foot only operates the front. And actually I put it before the e-brake, so even if the line is locked, I can still brake with my e-brake. Alright, let's install that stuff, and then we're gonna take a look at line, how we're gonna put it in there. This is how the bracket sits in here. I also made a cover here for the center console. Lines are going back down here. That's the line lock right here, so all that should work. And now we're gonna take a look underneath the car. So that's the way I mounted the lever, so it's not in the way of the passenger right here, and it's in a nice angle to pull it towards me. Alright, let's take a look underneath. So I drilled 2 holes there. I'm gonna have to find some good rubber plugs for in there, and then the lines coming down here, and we're gonna split them in right here probably. Yeah, that's where we split them in. I left them a little bit longer so I can route it nice. And now I'm gonna cut the lines here, then put a T in here, and it goes in. And then we put another T in here, and it goes back in the system. Basically it's a 2 to 1 and 1 to 2 again. So basically these lines are coming from there, right and left rear basically, split here into one, and going over here into that hole. Don't worry about that, I'm gonna clean that up and get some holders for the brake lines too. But yeah, it's going up in there into the line lock. The line lock can shut it off from the separate the rear brakes basically from the front brakes. If I put the line lock on, I still can use my e-brake, and if I apply the foot pedal, it's just applying the front brakes. But anyways, so then it's going through that e-brake, and then it's coming out here, splitting here into another T, and then going to the left and the right side. But yeah, that's basically the setup, and yeah, don't worry about that, I clean that out. But yeah, that's the setup of my e-brake, and we're gonna see us next time. Okay.